In this video, I will tell you how to open a Wise account in Philippines. So simply just you have to visit wise.com, and here on the top right side you can see the register option. Simply click on register. So you will move to next page. So here you have to type your sign up email, or if you want to sign up through Google or Facebook or Apple ID. So all these options are available here. So simply select your sign up process, and after that you will move to next page. So now here you have two options, personal account or business account. So if your work is related to business, you can open your business account. So in my case, I will open personal account. So after selecting the personal account, here you have to select your country. Like I want to open my account in Philippines. So simply I have selected the Philippines. Now click on continue. So here what you need to do, must have the Philippine number in order to open a Philippine account. So in my case, I don't have a Philippine account. So when you enter your Philippine mobile number here, and you will click on send a verification code. So you will receive a verification code on your cell phone. So after that, enter the code and you will be successfully open a Wise account in Philippines.